Get the most out of your Mahindra eSUV. It's easier than you think. Driving your Mahindra electric origin SUV the right way isn't just about staying safe. It's how you unlock maximum range and top-notch performance. Let's break it down. Smooth moves for more miles. Think of your accelerator like a volume dial. Gentle and steady wins the range game. Smooth acceleration helps your battery work smarter, not harder. Meet regeneration, your eSUV's hidden superpower. What if I told you your eSUV can actually recover energy while you drive? A clever EV trick that turns braking and slowing down into bonus battery juice. City driving? Jackpot! All these stops and starts are prime opportunities for regeneration, helping your eSUV deliver over 500 kilometers of real-world city range. On highways, though, less braking means a slight dip in range. Dial up or down your regen. Your eSUV gives you 4 regen levels, from level 0, none, to level 3, maximum energy recovery. One pedal drive takes things up a notch, perfect for city traffic. Just lift your foot off the accelerator to slow down. Less effort, less fatigue, and more range. The regen here is even stronger than L3. Win-win. Drive modes for every mood. Your eSUV always starts in default drive mode setting, designed to feel just like a petrol or a diesel SUV. Familiar and fuss-free, especially for those driving electrics for the first time. But when you're in the mood for something different, there's more. Range mode, perfect for those long road trips when you want to squeeze out every kilometer. Everyday mode, your go-to city commutes, balanced, comfy and efficient. Race mode, feeling feisty? This one's all about thrilling acceleration and sharp handling. Boost mode, need a quick burst of power? Tap boost mode for 10 seconds of pure adrenaline. Oh, and one more thing. Whenever you switch from default mode to another drive mode, your eSUV will gently remind you that this is one powerful machine, encouraging you to drive safe and smart. Bonus tips to go the extra mile. Want to push that range even further? Here's how. Maintain steady speeds. Avoid sudden bursts of acceleration or harsh braking. Plan your trips to make the most of city driving. More stops is equal to more regen. Keep your tires properly inflated. This reduces rolling resistance and helps your eSUV run efficiently. Keep your battery happy and healthy. A healthy battery is a happy eSUV. Here's how to keep yours in top shape. Limit frequent fast charging. Regular AC charging is kinder to your battery. Your battery will thank you. Stick to the recommended service schedule. It's key to preserving your battery's performance and overall vehicle health. Master these tips and you'll enjoy a safe, efficient and truly empowering driving experience, all while squeezing every kilometer out of your Mahindra eSUV. Happy driving!